NBCC for you. NBCC came out with their second quarter earnings where their income was up 21% at 1,126 crore rupees and their bottom line higher by about 12.5% at 68.2 crore rupees. To talk to us about the earnings, we are joined by Mr. Anup Kumar Mittal, CMD of NBCC. He's joining us from Delhi. Mr. Mittal, thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV Profit. Now, we've seen a strong jump in your revenues and the PMC and the real estate division have done very well. But the profitability of the PMC business has not kept up. What happened in the second quarter?
You see, it's very difficult to account for all the overheads and expenses on quarterly basis in particularly construction company. So this is the reason because you see we are working in three verticals: project management consultancy, PMC, real estate as well as EPC. So right way to analyze any infrastructure company or construction company to see the results of yearly basis. So there is nothing to worry on this account. When you are increasing your top line, automatically bottom line will also increase in PMC. So all these things you will see in annual results.
Right. But we're seeing on a quarterly basis as well, and we've seen that your cost of materials have come down quite a bit. So can you tell us what was the margin like in the second quarter and what's the outlook for the margins going ahead?
You see, only thing I can tell you that last year we registered profit after tax about 6%, and next year it will increase substantially. Means it should be in the range of 6.5% above, because we are targeting to increase at least 20% or 25% top line. So we'll set these targets and definitely will achieve these.
Right. You set up your subsidiary in Oman. When do you think revenues will start coming in from the overseas business here in Oman? Will it start showing in the third quarter itself?
You see, presently we are working in 4 or 5 countries, and in 2-3 countries revenues we are booking revenue, like Maldives, 1 or 2 projects are very active and we are booking some revenue also. In Turkey we have just finished 1 project. In Oman, which you are asking, we have set up 1 subsidiary company with local company Al Naba, and this subsidiary company is trying to grab business, and I will not say that in third quarter some revenue will be booked, but definitely we are targeting in next financial year some revenue will come from Oman company.
All right. We've got a lot of releases about the order book and the increase in orders that you've got over this quarter. Was it largely from the real estate space? Can you tell us which are the active orders that have started contributing already when it comes to the revenues?
You see, in this financial year we have grabbed about 6,000 to 7,000 orders, other than some redevelopment projects which we have signed with one is Institute of Public Administration, and we are which is ex-DDA projects, the value of which is about 10,000 crore rupees. And I hope by end of this financial year our outstanding order book should be in the range of 40,000 crore rupees plus DDA projects. If we add that, the order book should be 48 to 50,000 crore rupees.
Right. So you said top line growth of 20-25%, and can you tell us what will be the profitability range like?
You see, top line, when I am saying 25%, automatically bottom line will also increase in the same ratio or more than that, because your fixed overheads are same. I mean, overheads are very fixed. So in PMC business, whatever extra you are doing, that will add to your profit.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Mittal, for speaking with us at NDTV Profit, giving us details of the earnings posted by NBCC in the second quarter. Mr. Mittal, confident of 20 to 25% top line growth coming in for this entire financial year. We will wrap up the show, but stay tuned to NDTV Profit.